Mastering the Art of Elimination in the ACT Science section. Hello learners! In today's video, we'll dive into one of the most powerful strategies for the ACT Science section: eliminating incorrect answer choices. This technique can not only save you time but can also increase your accuracy. So, let's get started. The ACT Science section can be challenging, but it's essential to remember that for every question, there is only one correct answer. That means 3 of the options provided are there to distract you. If we can systematically eliminate these distractors, our odds of choosing the right answer dramatically improve. In the ACT Science section, some common distractors you might encounter are: 1. Irrelevant information. This answer choice might sound scientific but doesn't answer the question at hand. 2. Extreme statements. Be cautious of choices that use absolute words like always or never. 3. Contradictory data. Some choices might contradict the information given in the passage or charts. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Read the question carefully. Before jumping to the answer choices, understand what's being asked. 2. Highlight key terms. By understanding what's essential, you can quickly spot irrelevant answer choices. 3. Start eliminating. If an answer seems entirely unrelated, too extreme, or contradicts the data, cross it out. 4. Re-evaluate the remaining choices. Sometimes, eliminating the obvious wrong answers can make the correct one stand out more clearly. To truly master the elimination technique: 1. Practice with real ACT questions. The more you practice, the better you'll get at spotting distractors. 2. Time yourself. It's not just about getting the answer right, but also doing it efficiently. 3. Review your mistakes. If you choose a wrong answer, understand why you made that choice. This helps you avoid similar mistakes in the future. That wraps up our video on mastering the art of elimination for the ACT Science section. Remember, every distractor you eliminate brings you closer to the right answer. With consistent practice and an attentive approach, you'll find this strategy becoming second nature. Happy studying, and may your test scores soar!